guys, welcome back to my channel, Makeup by Yoli. Today's look is definitely green, and I bet you guys won't guess which palette I'm using. I am still on the Huda Beauty Precious Stones Obsession Palettes high. So today's look is inspired by palette number 2, which is the Emerald Obsession palette. And yes, all these beautiful green colors that you see here were part of that inspiration, and hopefully it'll inspire you too to create colors using this one palette, which I must admit was quite the challenge, but I persevered and I made it happen. And hopefully you guys enjoy this tutorial. I also introduced some new products that you'll start to see throughout the tutorial. I've used some new foundations, hint, hint, some new bronzers, hint, 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 and of course, I have a new blush palette, which I am so excited about. I went to ColourPop. I built my own little blush palette, and I selected the colors that worked best for me, and hopefully you guys will be inspired and want to create your own. So go for it. But I am happy with my purchase and I love all the colors. So I'm gonna stop talking, because right now I'm sure all you guys want to do is just see the tutorial and see how I created this look. So without further ado, let me bring you Emerald Obsession. Hey guys, the first color I'm going to use is that light matte teal color, and I'm just going to buff that right into my eyes. Now I'm going in with that deeper green, and I'm going to concentrate that right onto the outer corner of my eyes. Now I'm going to go in with that darker color, and I'm going to use it to kind of clean up the edges as well as blend everything together. Now I'm going to go in with that shimmery green kind of color. It's the lighter one, kind of looks like the teal, but shimmery. And I'm going to focus that right onto my lid and kind of blend it out. Now I'm going to go in with that golden shimmery color. It's like a light golden, not too dark. And I'm just going to apply that right onto the lid. And once again, I'm just going to buff it out so it blends in with the other shimmery color that I had placed right on top. Now I'm going to add that metal kind of golden color right next to the teal. And I'm just going to apply that right on top of the lid for more emphasis, and also in the inner corners of my eyes to make it pop some more. To create a soft wing liner, I'm using my Benefits Roller Liner. And this is like the second time I'm using it, and I must say the application is really nice. No look is complete without my Azeredo Hollywood lashes. For my foundation, I'm using the matte Poreless Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 332, and I must say that this is definitely medium to light coverage. If you want to see full coverage with this, you'd have to definitely layer it or apply it with another foundation. Now for my concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind, and I must say the application to this is so smooth. I don't know why I haven't stumbled across this a long time ago, but I must say it's one of my favorite concealers. forget Laura, yes, my setting powder, and I apply that right underneath my eyes and anywhere I pretty much applied concealer. For my powder, I'm using the Benefit Hello Flawless in Champagne. I never really layer up my powders, but I wanted to warm up my face a little bit more, and so I use my matte finish foundation powder. I'm introducing a new bronzer to my family. Yes, the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, and I must say I'm very, very pleased. And yes, I had to do it. I bought 2 bronzers, another one from Anastasia Beverly Hills powder bronzer in Cappucino. Of course, my go-to blush palette now from ColourPop Cosmetics. And I must say, I get to create so many different colors just from this one palette. So it was well worth the purchase. Of course, my highlighting palette needs no introduction. I've used it in all of my tutorials so far. It's the Kylie Jenner Pressed Powder Palette, and the only reason why I'm introducing it is because I'm using the 2 peachy colors that you see. It's Your Sister's Going to Jail and I Raised You on Mac and Cheese. Using the same colors from the Emerald Obsessions palette, I'm now smoking out my lower lash line using a pencil brush. For this look, I didn't want to go in with a heavy lip, so right now I'm using one of my natural color lip liners just to fill in my lips. So to complete the lips, I went in with 2 ColourPop Cosmetics Ultra Glossy Lip Glosses. And the first one that I used was PS, and this one is a little bit thicker in texture. It also has more of a peachy, kind of orangey feel to it, and it laid for a nice base on the lips. The second color, So Fraiche, not sure if I said that name correctly, so please forgive me. This one is more sheer and it has more shimmer to it. So with both of these combined, it created a nice gloss. And now to set this look, I am using the Urban Decay All Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. It's supposed to be long lasting, and I believe it. And there you have it, guys. The look is complete. I hope that you guys enjoyed the tutorial. I had fun creating it. And please, if you like, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time. Bye.